What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond with Operation Work From Home. And in today's video, I am going to show you how you can quickly make some money, possibly today, with just your cell phone. Okay. Now, if you're new to the channel, I make videos on how you can make money just using your Wi-Fi or any type of internet connection and, make it real simple for you. So you wouldn't have to reinvent the wheel or anything like that. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And then again, my name is Desmond with Operation Work From Home. So to this video, all right. So you got your cell phone, check. You got your Wi-Fi or your hotspot or whatnot, check. Now what do? Okay, you trying to make some money. You need to pay some bills real quick. So what are you gonna do? Open up. First, you're gonna download Facebook. And then you're going to open up the marketplace. So you download the app first, okay? Get it from the App Store, okay? And then I got Facebook open right now. At the very bottom, you see that little house right there? Not the one all the way to the left, but the one right next to that, okay? That is the marketplace, okay? In here, as you can see, people are selling things all day, every day, okay? And it's really simple to use. So, look, that's a pretty good deal on the iPod. Look for an iPod, check your area, see if they got one on there, you know. But anyway, I'm just going to go to some of the listings that I've had before here, okay. And, I still got some things active, and it's real simple to do. So we'll just do as if I'm just going to edit this listing, and I'm just going to edit it, but this will be a new listing for you. But it's real simple. First, you take pictures of your photos of whatever you're trying to sell. You come up with your title. You come up with your price. You select your category. And then the condition, okay? You go ahead and use good, okay? Or whatever condition is. And brand is optional, size is optional. And then you can just do a description, okay? And then you come down to the bottom. This is how people usually find you. Help assist in finding whatever you have to sell. And in this case, it's a USB card reader. And then by you adding those, you just go on to the, and so I use it just to kind of go back up to the top. You're listing your items. And then you go next. Okay? So this is local pickup. You can select local pickup. If you wanted to ship it, you can ship it. But I've never had any issues with pickup. And if it's something really small, there's been plenty of times where I just left it outside of my door in a box or whatnot, and then I just told people, just leave me some money underneath the doormat or whatnot, and I've never had any type of issue with that. So if you didn't want to do that, then you could also meet up in a public place, where there's lots of people, and just make your exchange. I usually go to like a Starbucks or a gas station or any place where it's public, and I've never had an issue. So, just keep, just make sure, you're in a public place, if you don't feel comfortable, and just make your transaction. I've actually had people actually pay me through Facebook, the app, and the money was credited into my bank account instantly. So I wish I had this going back, to school when I used to sell like candy or whatnot. So it's really simple these days, and there's like really no excuse to not be able to make some money. And the best thing about it is free to list on there. So after you save it, okay, and it'll show you what your item is. It tells you your views that you had, and then after you sell it, you just click on the mark as sold. Or if it's pending pickup, you can do mark as pending. So it's really simple to do. I'm just going to go back to my listings here. And some things that I've sold on here. I sold wireless router, drill, suitcases. I'll just go back to some more. Heaters. I listed some things on here. There's quite a bit of things on here that I've listed. I've even sold my car on here, so it's real simple to use. Again, is just one quick way to how you can use your phone and your internet to make money real quick. Again, to recap the steps, what you're going to do, you're going to download Facebook, open up Facebook through the app, and then you're going to go to the bottom where that second house is. That is the Facebook Marketplace. You open that up, take a picture of whatever you're trying to list, then you go to create new listing, and then you find out what are your listing items, etc. So it's going to be items, and then you go in there and you just make your necessary changes and sit back, relax. You will start to get offers for people, from different people wanting to buy your items. So it's real simple to use. And again, this is me showing you how you can quickly make money using your cell phone. So anyways, thanks for tuning in to this video, and I am looking forward to sharing more tips, more tricks with you in the future videos. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see the latest and greatest, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.